Importance of work-life balance. Work-life balance is very important in our life so that our performance will be better in both places, at our home also and at our workplace also. So it is very much required to have a good work-life balance, right? I am KC Parmesan, this is Seva Medal, productivity coach and an NLP expert, right? Today let us see what are the advantages of having a good work-life balance. First, number one, improves your relationship. How? By giving more time to your family, to your loved ones, giving them quality time, quality attention to them, taking them out to a restaurant and keeping them engaged with you, or taking them to a long vacation. So by doing this, what happens is it improves your relationship and your balance of life is perfect. Next, number two, happiness. Stressed and worried persons give less output. But when you have good connection with family, friends, colleagues, you become happy and we don't feel stressed. Your work output becomes the double, right? Next is improves your physical health. How? By allotting a time for your exercise in the morning, like 20 to 30 minutes of hard exercise, like gym or jogging, running, whatever you feel like, you allot a time for that, which will keep you physically fit for throughout the day and your health will be maintained, right? Even in the offices, you can have where the offices which mini gyms are available, you can work out in the evening in your offices also. Then in between your tasks, if you're a computer, you are working on computer, you are continuously sitting in the computer. When you take the breaks, walk around your company, walk around wherever space you have got, so that you remain fully energetic, right? That's why this improves work-life balance, improves your health by balancing your time for your physical activities also. Next comes your mental health. So for your mental health, when you allot a time in the morning again for meditation, for yoga, after your physical exercise, do meditation, do yoga. Now what happens? You become perfectly okay. The mental stability, your mind will be very clear without stress, so that you can perform your task and you will be very active in your home as well as in your company, right? Wherever you're working, right? Next is low stress. Now, because of these activities in the morning, your mind is fresh and free without any stress. As you have a good relationship with your family, so when you come to the office, there is no relationship issue, there is no stress about thinking about family. You are here, you need not think about your family there, because there is no problems at home. Now that keeps you a good balance. So low stress and your output is more. Then fewer burnouts. Now what happens? When you're physically and mentally sound and you have planned your task for the complete day, you will not burn out. You know, these are the tasks I need to complete by this time, and you will complete it, so that you don't take extra task and burn out yourself. Fine. Next is creative thinking. Creative thinking is when we are stressed and overwhelmed, we are anxious, we cannot be creative. So it's always better to avoid distraction from social media and concentrate on our task and have a relaxed time. Have breaks in between. Why I am emphasizing is, when you have a break, you know what is the next task you're doing. Your mind, you have a cup of coffee and you sit under a tree and you just think about what is the next task, and you can have a creative mind to how to execute that particular task. So that is going to help you. So you will have a creative thinking if you have good work-life balance in your life. Next is being present. Now what happens is, maximum people, they have relationship issues, they have problems at home, they are not available where they are. If they are at home, they think about the office. If they are in the office, they think about their home, right? There was a fight between spouse and self. So what did I tell her? Why did I tell her? All this thinking will be running in your mind and you will not be able to perform, right? Same way, if you are in the home with your family, with your kids, you will be thinking about what you fought with your boss or your team leader or your project manager. So don't do that. To overcome, have good relationship, think emotionally before you speak. Before you speak, whether it is your spouse or whether it is your manager, whether it is your project leader, anybody, please think before you speak. Then think positive always. Leave work at office when you leave the office. So don't come home and think about the work. Fine. Next is more impact at work. Now what? Motivated employee is a loyal and engaged employee, right? Being engaged is about feeling committed to something so that you do the best. You are more committed. Your output is maximum. It increases your engagement and results with the subordinates and your teammates, right? So more impact you will have if you have a good work-life balance. Fine. The next point is fulfillment. You get that full fulfillment when you perform all the tasks. When stressed, overwhelmed, and anxious, you feel that I don't have capacity, I am not fulfilled, I have not completed the task. But now you have a good work-life balance, so you have performed all the tasks and you are exceptionally good, and you can relax when you come back to home. Fine. Next is more productive. You become more productive. Why? Because you have done a physical exercise, you have done a mental exercise. Now your body is very good and you are taking frequent breaks in between. This keeps you the energy level till the end of the day, so that you keep giving output the company to the company, and all above you will appreciate you for your productivity. Fine. Next is having strong boundaries. Create strong boundaries. Even at work, you can work only to the limited time, right? See, don't take lot of load. If you take lot of load, if you don't learn how to say no, and you know the time, what is a working hour, and if you take more load, you will not be able to complete. Then what happens? It becomes very difficult. You get stressed out and you get burned out also. So keep boundaries. Say this much task I will do, and accept only so many tasks for the day, right? So this will help you. Hope these are the advantages of having a better work-life balance. You will be successful and your output will be the best at home as well as at the office. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click the like button, share it to your friends, comment in the comment box, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're interested in productivity, procrastination, focus, and mindset, please click the link below and join my VIP Facebook group. Thank you. Have a nice day.